Hi, my name's Esther and I'm 7 years old and today we're making pancakes. First you'll need pancake mix, butter spray, and water. You'll need 1 cup of pancake mix and 3/4 cup of water. Pour the water into the pancake mix. Stir it up. Spray butter spray onto the pan. Pour little pancakes onto the pan.
That's good. Go over, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. All right, that's good enough. Great. Stop. Oh. Okay, a little one. There you go, that's good.
Have a grown-up cook it for you.
Is it good? Awesome. Should we put something on it? Very good.
Thanks for watching. Bye.